It's a busy time of year for many people with kids going back to school and work and getting back into the full swing of things as summer vacation winds down. You know, it's always a great time to make sure you are taking a little time for yourself as well. So here to tell us how to get a little bit of self-care in your routine is lifestyle expert Niki Anastasakis. And we're so glad you are here thinking about not just the students, but the parents, the grown-ups here, how to take care of yourself. Good morning to you.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
It's wonderful to have you on the show here talking about some self-care. So where do we start? Where should we start?
Okay, so I have a lot of hair products here, hair care items that you must get your hands on. I want to start with the Shark Smooth Style. This is your all-in-one. It's really great for giving you that ultimate blowout. I used this morning to freshen up for this segment.
Let me tell you, your hair is working. It looks really nice. It's that soft kind of curl.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's really good because this is like a round brush. Essentially, it gives you that blowout salon style.
Yeah.
It's your all-in-one. You can easily pack it in a suitcase because it has everything you need. You don't need, anything else. You don't need to bring any brushes. Really great price point as well. This is the Shark Smooth Style, available on Shark's website.
Okay, so tell me this. If your hair, can you use this on wet hair, dry hair? How does it work?
Perfect for wet and dry.
Oh,
so
really?
That's what's great. And then the next day, when you've kind of had some crinkles from sleeping on it, you can do it on this dry mode, and it just refreshes what you already did. You don't need to do the whole thing again.
Okay, that is really great. Your hair looks amazing, by the way.
Thank you.
What else do you have for us? Okay, so when it comes to hairstyling, what do you have that is an all-in-one kind of tool?
Yeah, so moving on to the next level, this is kind of in the middle price point. This is called the Shark FlexStyle, and this is really great for blow drying, also giving you that voluptuous blowout look. You can now also add some curls with the curl attachment. You can do this blow dry attachment, and you can even
blow dry.
You can even buy an attachment for diffusing for people who like to just enhance their natural curls. And this is really good for smoothing out your hair. It's really great because there's competitors out there and they're quite expensive, but this is a really great price point, and you can do it all again.
How does it protect the hair? Because I think about blow drying, I think about styling, and it might be a little bit stressful on the hair.
So this is really good. It has a technology where it doesn't heat damage. And you can straighten, but it won't give you the damage of like ceramic plates. So really, really good for that.
Okay, that's great to know. Lastly, what item do you have when we're talking about going from wet to dry hair with the Shark, which, by the way, I love the name.
Yeah,
I love it.
Last but not least, we have the Shark Glam Hot Styling Tool. This is kind of your next level up. It's very similar to the FlexStyle, but it gives you this ultra glossy finish and silky smooth finish, and it's super lightweight. This is great for, again, blow drying, giving you a blowout. You can add curls, and it even has this ceramic flat iron attachment, which you can pop right onto the device. And what I love is it's very, very lightweight. And essentially, this is great for all hair textures, whether you have thin hair, thick hair, textured hair, much like yours.
Really? I can use it on mine too.
You should definitely try it. And again, it gives you that ultimate like blowout salon finish that you need. And why not give yourself a little bit of self-care love this September? Kids are back to school. Pamper yourself.
Niki Anastasakis, we're so glad that you can come by and talk about taking care of yourself, because it's been all about everybody else today, and it is really wonderful that you can bring these and highlight this. And like I said, again, you're traveling here, and your hair is looking that great with this. Very nice indeed.
Very easy. Thank you. Again, you can get these at sharkclean.ca.
Sharkclean.ca. Niki, lifestyle expert, thank you so much for popping by. Really appreciate you.